Well, my new chain has arrived, and my new tank vent and equips has arrived. I put it in this bag so that I don't lose it when I'm ready to get this saw another try to repair. But let's unbox this chain and take the old chain off and put a new one on it, and we'll give it a try. But we're not going to cut wood with it today. But when my Uncle Jim asked his brother to get time to have his tractor out where he could pull that one tree out of there for me, and me and my Uncle Jim will give this MS-250 a try and see how it'll do. Gonna get rid of this old chain since it's worn out and the teeth are almost gone. I'm gonna throw that chain away since it's no longer being used anymore. But I did got some little bit of heavy stuff done. I moved the big giant dresser and the big giant other dresser inside of my home. Got my muscles built up one more time. Got my right side muscle built up again. Got it a lot more harder. Here's the old chain I threw away. But let's unbox this new chain and put it on this saw. You can definitely get those on Amazon or at your stihl dealer. This chain is just like a Husqvarna chain, but it's a steel chain. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. Ooh. These teeth are very sharp. Beautiful. Now to snug our nuts onto the chainsaw, onto the MS-250 Wood Boss. Making sure which way they're facing the nuts, because I know how they face. They're supposed to face that direction with no numbers, but the numbers at the back is supposed to be at the back. Now to attention our chain by using the chain tensioner. And I think it's all set. Maybe we'll take it right by towards the tree that's still got a big limb on it that it felled from the other trees that's still standing up, and test it on that limb and see how it does. That should do it. Now, new chain is on it. Now it's a lot better. This is a 2019 stihl MS250 Wood Boss. 18-inch bar, 45cc engine. But let's see if it'll work the chain a little bit. Well, that done it pretty good. At least the chain got oiled. It's very sharp. I got one of them little pieces in the garage. Ain't no need to go over to the tree anyway. Let's try it on this little piece and see how it does. I'm not going to be making a mess on you. I'm just going to make one cut. But let's give it a try with one cut. Cuts real good. I'm very happy the way it cuts. That cuts way a lot better than before. That cuts way better. Well, there it is. Well, there's the MS250 with its brand new chain. This old chain's going to get thrown away since it's wore out. I might buy me another chain for it as a spare for it. Anyways, I'm all done for today. I'll definitely see probably this evening. I could probably find something that's jamming the flywheel on the MS310. But I did look, but I don't think it's not there. But I think what the problem was, the screw might be in there that's missing from it. That's probably what's causing it to jam. It might be right behind the clutch on it. But I'll give you heads up when I get it out. Once I did, I'll put a new clip on, put the bar and chain back on, and we'll see this thing will run and die, and it'll be time for it to have a new carburetor. Anyways, I'll catch y'all later when I get it free up. Anyways, bye for now.